Now on to more breaking news at Alert in Boston, where a jury has just recommended death for convicted marathon bomber Dzhokhar Tsarnaev.
Members of the same jury which convicted Tsarnaev deliberated about 14 hours before coming back with a unanimous death penalty recommendation. Verdict a short time ago. Marley Hall's in Boston. She's got the latest.
12 Boston jurors agreed that convicted Boston bomber Dzhokhar Tsarnaev should pay for his crimes with his life. Tsarnaev was found guilty of all 30 charges against him in connection with the 2013 marathon bombings and aftermath. He was convicted of murdering 8-year-old Martin Richard, 23-year-old Lindsay Liu, 29-year-old Crystal Campbell, and MIT police officer Sean Collier. The defense never contested Tsarnaev's guilt, but tried instead to convince jurors he was a victim of his older brother's radicalization. Tamerlan Tsarnaev died in a shootout with police. Tsarnaev never testified in his own defense and showed emotion only once when one of his relatives wept on the stand. Jurors heard from experts in explosives, forensics, and terrorism. They also sat through heart-wrenching testimony from survivors of the attacks and family members of those who died. Tsarnaev's lawyers plan to appeal the death sentence, an exhausting process many victims and their families were hoping to avoid. Marley Hall, CBS News, Boston.
And if Tsarnaev is executed, it's going to be done by lethal injection. Reporters in Boston now gathering reaction to the verdict. We will have that reaction coming up.